TDK and I'm back with another video. I mean reaction video. Y'all know, y'all get the goddamn saying, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all already clicked the video because of the title, description, and the thumbnail. I'm tired of making thumbnails better than the content creators who actually put out the actual video, man. So hey, tip your hats off to me, bro. Everything that y'all see, I make, you feel me? So yeah, but the reason why we doing today's video, y'all, bro, my hair has been itching all day. Not gonna hold you, my boy. For me, my loctician told me that it's okay to wash my hair now, so I'm probably going to wash my hair, my guys, because it's just like, bro, I be playing basketball, I go to the gym every day. I was outside for an event last week, and bro, I just be sweating, bro. I know my hair be goddamn just building up sweat and dirt, bro, and that, it just causes it to itch like bad, bro. I be in here, I'm talking about smacking the hell out of my head. I'm tired right now as is, so I mean, what's keeping me up, y'all, is my hair is itching, bro, and I gotta keep patting my head because it can't, I feel like I just can't like itch it. People with locks know, you feel me? Y'all boys with dreads, y'all boys know. So maybe this video might help you. It's definitely gonna help me because, like I said, I gotta watch. You know what I'm saying? And I got that shit on. Y'all wanna make sure y'all go cut that INQURIES studio, and then I got a different colorway on. My black colorway that I was wearing the last 3 videos, just because, like I said, I cranked 3 videos that day. That's just like my con fit, my con colorway. You feel me? So I'm gonna definitely wear the next 2 colorways in the next couple of videos that I'm cranking, y'all. The next 3 videos, man, y'all gonna see this. Like I said, man, I ain't finna get y'all set out too much longer now, man. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Screen recording is started, man, and as like I said, as I just said, man, we gonna figure out how to wash our hair together, you feel me? So all my dreadheads, y'all boys tap in. I know this video probably don't got no relevancy to anybody or anything or goddamn trending or anything crazy. I just did this because, bro, I was gonna watch it on my own, but I'd rather, you know what I'm saying, let's just spread the wealth to all my dreadheads who just don't think they should wash their hair. If you don't wash your hair as a dreadhead, it's just, that's kind of weird. You just walk around with a dirty ass head and the dirt build up, like, not healthy. Your hair's not healthy, you feel me? So this is how you maintain good locks. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead. Let's jump right into the video.
Talking about getting some action, washing your hair, man. If y'all want a nice little activity for you and your special partner, have them wash your hair. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be naked together. Oh, you wash her.
Oh, hold on. I didn't know the video was gonna be like that now. Hold on. What is he talking about? What is Cut talking about right now? Hey, I like where your head's at though. You feel me? I like where his head is at with that. That way you ain't got it, the spots that you can't get. You know what I'm saying? Little shot it can get it for you. All right. But I didn't know he was gonna do all this. I thought this was gonna be like a how-to quick crank tutorial. But no, he talking about some extra shit.
You wash yours or vice versa, whatever combination of the 2 genders you got going on. We are inclusive on this channel. You know what I'm saying? Wash. Have a good old evening. What's good, YouTube? TP Locks here, bringing you guys another video. Yes, today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash routine with the
That's what I need, bro. This is what I don't have, cuz. So that means I gotta go to the beauty supply store and get some of this type of shampoo, and I also gotta get, yeah, this oil, this peppermint castor or wind oil, cause my loctician be putting some along those lines in my hair. I ain't gonna lie. And then when she washes my hair, this looks like the product. I'm not gonna hold you. This looks like relatively close to the product. And I know she puts that peppermint castor oil in my hair. Like, I smell like the peppermint. It's crazy that I can smell it through the oil, but I can smell it through the oil. And yeah, I know this is we on the right type of timing with this, with where we headed right now, you feel me?
Shampoo and wind oil. Both of these products feature rosemary, peppermint, and cedar wood, so you're gonna get that good tingle feeling, a great deep cleanse, and it's gonna be helping you out with any dandruff or dry scalp issues that you may be having, okay? Now the Shea Shampoo.
That's what I'm having, bro. I'm having dandruff issues. Dandruff and dirty hair issues or dirty scalp issues. The reason why I didn't want to wash my hair that bad is just because I feel like it messes up my retwist. My loctician said I need to wash it. Every time I go in there, she be on my ass every time I go in there, like, did you wash your hair? When's the last time you washed your hair? I was like, shit, I ain't washed my hair until I come to you. Like, I don't want to mess up my style. I don't want to mess up my, whatchamacallit. Like, y'all know how we have boxes? We need a fresh retwist, and it's like the retwist is twisted, and you got the boxes. The people with locks know. Y'all know. I don't want to mess up my style, but like, when your hair grows out and it starts to look like this, you might as well, twin. You might as well. But I got 2 strands right now, so I have to let my twist out. I gotta take these 2 strands out first before I actually wash it. Cause if I try to wash it with my 2 strands, then it's just not gonna be, it's not what I wanted. It's not gonna be what I want it to be. So I gotta let these out, get the curliness going crazy, and then wash it then. But bro, I don't know how much longer I can take it, bro. I don't know if y'all be seeing me in my previous videos, bro. I be patting my hair crazy, twin, because you're really not supposed to be itching your scalp like that or itching your hair. But I guess some people with locks do, and that's why y'all should be out here just looking crazy as hell. I ain't gonna hold you.
Can also be used as a pre-poo. So ladies, y'all can use this if you don't have locks as well. All right, now I'm gonna start off with this Shea shampoo, but the first thing I wanna make sure I do is douse my hair. Okay, I like to make sure I get my hair nice and wet. All right, no suggestiveness. I like to get my hair nice and wet just to make sure that, you know, I get the best suds as possible, okay? Now, after I'm done getting my hair wet.
That doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad at all. I seen somebody like when I was swimming and shit, and I got some crazy videos dropping on my vlog channel, but I had to put my swim cap on because I ain't want my hair to get wet. I ain't want my resources to be messed up. You feel me? Like I'm that particular when it comes to my hair and how I want it to look. But I mean, typically when you wash your hair, I feel like it just frizzes up. I don't know if that's just me, but hey, obviously his hair is looking alright, gang. So I guess it may be okay to wash your hair, son.
I go for the scalp first, okay? I want to make sure that I get that scalp, lift that dandruff, anything that I got going on my scalp. I want to make sure I take care of that first. You see my daughter here, she definitely agrees. But you can see there, man, it's giving me a great tingly feeling. I can't really describe it with words on camera, but it just feels amazing. Anybody who uses peppermint oil knows, okay? Now, I make sure I get all angles of my head. I get that side, you know what I'm saying? I got a high top lock set, so gotta make sure I get the lower tapered area. Also focus on that Mason-Dixon line, the line between my locks. All right, you see me here getting the other side. Gotta get the back. Just try to be as thorough as possible here. Making sure you're utilizing your fingertips, okay? Now, one amazing thing about this, there go my baby again. One amazing thing about this shampoo is that it really suds up amazing. You see that lather? Look at that lather.
Yeah.
That is an amazing lather. I know.
That's what I need right there, man. I need that lather. That's how you know your hair is clean. And that's exactly what I need. I need that Mr. Clean. You feel me?
Out there and you got waves, you could benefit from a lather like this. Go ahead and get you some Shea shampoo. But after that, I just rinse it out, and you can see here it rinses out amazing as well. It doesn't just clunk up and it's not very difficult. You know, it's a very natural organic product, so it doesn't take much fight to rinse the product out. Of course, I got to make sure I get every angle of my head using my fingertips. I'm telling you guys, this junk feels amazing, okay?
I'm already knowing, boy. I can't wait to wash mine, boy. I already know exactly. Bro, every time my loctician washes my hair, y'all, bruh, I be like, man. He's be like, finally, clean, non-itch, like, bro, yes. So I already know how that shit feel, gang. And I don't mean to sound like, I don't mean to sound like that, man. But, bro, I'm telling you, bro, it's like a relaxing feeling, bro. Like, man, what? It's like finally back to non-itch, back to non-pat in my head, gang. Like, a fresh weed twist with a fresh wash every time feels amazing, my boy.
During the recording this was like, man, you should play D'Angelo. How does it feel? Because this is what it looks like. This is what it reminds me of. I almost got some action off this shit.
Damn. Yeah, that's low-key kind of how my hair is feeling like to this before right here. Bro, I was just patting my hair crazy. I had a black shirt on, bro. I just see dandruff all on my shirt. I'm like, yo, I cannot, my boy. I gotta get some of this shampoo. You know what I'm saying? Right now, it's too late for me to go get some because I can't go to Walmart and get some. I gotta go to an actual beauty supply store. They'll probably go get some of that. I need mine to be looking like this, gang. Because, bruh, this right here, man, this is what causes the itch right there. This is what be killing everything. You feel me? Like, I can't, bro. My hair be killing me, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a lot having this hairstyle. I ain't gonna hold you. When I have my mini afro and I would just wake up and twist it and have a dirty afro and wash it every like once or twice a month, and I just call it that. But bro, I'm telling you, bro, high maintenance with this hairstyle, especially if we want your shit to look good. Like, boy, that looks nasty.
Now that we've got our scalp nice and clean, we're gonna go back in and get the hair. Okay, now look at this lather, y'all. I know I was bragging on it earlier, but y'all not really knowing. Let me let y'all hear this a little bit.
Cuz you need a mic, my boy. You need a mic, my boy. You wouldn't have that issue, bro, if you had a mic, twin. That shit sounds terrible. I'm not gonna hold you. That shit sounds absolutely garbage.
That lather is going crazy, okay? Now, when I'm using this shampoo, I want to make sure I massage it into my locks, because the one thing to understand is that the suds, they're not just there to look pretty, okay? I know it looks amazing, it feels amazing, but you want that stuff to penetrate your locks. So what you can see me doing is actually massaging and trying to get that to penetrate the shaft of my hair, okay? I'm doing that by squeezing and massaging. Okay, every now and then I may get a little massage of the scalp, but right now I want to focus on the hair. I want to make sure that my entire head is covered in this stuff, and I want it massaged in deep, okay? I'm sitting here talking about getting some action. Washing your hair, man, if y'all want a nice little activity for you and your special partner, have them wash your hair. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be naked together. You wash hers, she wash yours, or vice versa, whatever combination of the two.
Shitting me, she just washed mine, goddamn. You know what I mean? Hey, she didn't wash my shit. I don't know about me digging my fingernails or her shit, but hey, I mean, if she want to help, you know what I'm saying? Some women are very, very particular on how they want their shit done, but me, I don't care, bro. If you can wash my hair, shorty, then hey, let's do it, you feel me? A nice little mutual shower. I don't like sharing a shower, though, especially if you don't got, like, a nice, big shower head for both of y'all to goddamn be in the water together. Like, bro, there's only one person at a time, and then the shower gets cold for one person. Like, nah, I can't, bro. I've gotten in the shower, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna spill all my beans like that, but yeah. But I do need a significant other to come, get in the shower with me and wash my shit, or just come wash my shit while I just dunk it in the tub. You know what I'm saying? Either way it goes, I just needed somebody I want somebody to wash my shit. I ain't gonna lie, cause bro, this shit is a lot. This shit is a lot to wash. It already looks like a lot in the video. I ain't gonna hold you.
You got going on, we are inclusive on this channel. You know what I'm saying? Wash. Have a good old evening. Might have her do that next time. But after that, I want to make sure I rinse. And like I said, this stuff comes out amazing, you guys. Squeeze that excess water so I don't get that stanky mildew. I want to make it as easy as possible to dry. And you can see there, man, that hair looks great.
His hair looks good. That boy's hair looks healthy and clean. That's exactly what I need. Cause boy, my shit is like, I went to go spray something earlier. We chilling right now. For some odd reason, we chilling because I'm watching this video and I don't know what my head is doing right now, but we chilling, bro. But when I was just editing the video, bro, I don't know why, but when I just be sitting here, bro, and I be trying to lock into something, bro, like my shit just get to itching out of nowhere for no reason, bro. And it just be spurts of just, bro, I be patting my shit for at least a minute or two, just patting constantly, just pop, 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 pop. But just watching this shit, you feel me? It's just like, I don't know if it's giving me a sense of relief just watching them, just because I know what it feels like to have a freshly washed, you know what I'm saying, hair. Because my loctician washes my shit every time that I get it done, and that's why I go to her specifically. A lot of y'all loctician and a lot of y'all reason why y'all dreads be looking so trash, most of y'all, is because y'all go in there and your loctician just really just retwist you up, bro, under some dirty hair. Like, no, I like the fact that my loctician washes my hair every time and then retwists it, and it comes out great every single time. You feel me? Like my shit has came a long way. I'm not gonna hold you.
Feels great. All right. Now I'm gonna follow it up with that wind oil to double that tingle feeling. And I'm telling you, this junk smells good. Okay? Massage it in. It had me giggling. I'm telling you, it's like some foreplay, y'all.
Yeah, hey, and this is crazy that I'm giggling with, cuz, and I ain't, no Diddy, you feel me? But, bro, I already know that feeling, bro, because my loctician does it for me, gang. And I just be like, whew, this shit feels amazing, man. But I need to know the steps of drying. Let's see if he gets into the steps of drying, because I have to go under a heat thing to get my shit dry, like to get all the water, the excess water out of my hair. Like I said, my loctician, I have to go into like a 2-step heat type of process. Like after she washes my hair, we go put it in the heater, the dryer, whatever you want to call it, little machine that you gotta put your head in. And then once she's done retwisting it, I gotta put it in another dryer for it to go ahead and heat and dry out any excess goddamn water in that too as well. So it's just like, I don't know. My loctician, she like I said, she clutch with it, man. She knows exactly what she's doing, man. Big shout out to her.
You see, you can taste the hair. Look, that's how clean it is. Before I go, I gotta let you guys know that the House of Isis is giving away a free large scalp mist with any purchase on Black Friday. Discount.
All right, cuz yapping, my boy. Cuz absolutely yapping. But he didn't get into the drying process, y'all. I don't know who this guy is, but I'm not about to listen to him because I don't know what he's talking about. It looked like another free promo in there, bitch, y'all. But Screen recording this stop, man. I wish he would have goddamn went over on how to dry your hair after you wash it like that. Cause bruh, I heard that's the reason why I'm scared to do it myself, is because I don't have a hair dryer. I mean, I can always go to my mom's crib and get it washed. I ain't gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. I can always go to my mom's crib and get it washed because she has a blow dryer for me to use and I can dry my hair out that way. But I'm just scared to mess up my style. But hey, I think I'm probably gonna start washing my hair probably like 2-3 weeks out to my retwist. I don't even know. I feel like 3 weeks is even a long time because that's literally almost a full month. So probably like 2 weeks out into my retwist, I'll probably wash my hair and then let the other 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying, go by and then make it just easier for my loctician to get my shit done. But like I said, man, hopefully I can find a video of somebody who drying their shit once they wash it like that. But that was definitely a good tutorial. I'm probably gonna watch it again before I wash my hair actually. But I gotta go get the products to wash my shit first. I'm not gonna use what I have now because what I have now for my shampoo and conditioner is definitely some Caucasian shit. So I don't need to be putting no Caucasian products in my hair, no Caucasian made products in my hair, because then it's really gonna mess it up. So y'all boys, make sure y'all pay attention to the type of shit that y'all also are putting in your hair and feeding y'all hairs, feeding y'all locks if you do got them. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm done yapping y'all's head off, man. I am getting tired. I don't know if y'all can see it in my eyes or just see it in my energy. I am trying to stay up on my energy, man, but hey, I had to crank it, man. Like I said, I'm getting back to being consistent, but I also do work my 9 to 5 on the side. I also do be editing these videos right after I get off of work, and then, you know what I'm saying, I don't really be eating lunch and shit like that, so it just be like I be eating my dinner, then I'll edit a video, and then yeah, it just be like that. So I got a routine on how I do my videos and how I edit everything and get it out to y'all. Boy, oh boy, I'm tired. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm about to go take my ass to sleep, man. Y'all boys, let me know what I should react to next in the comment section below, man. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video, if y'all learned anything today. You know what I'm saying? Take every day and try to learn something new. But y'all boys understand. It's your boy TDK12 official, man. Subscribe to the channel. It is what it is, not what it's not, man. We motherfucking what? We gone. You.